Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can prepare for Revolut for travel. So, of course, what you will have to do is listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So, yeah, before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So, of course, you have to log in using your credentials, and once you've logged into your account, what you will do is basically just look for the card section on your app or on your website. And after that, you will just have to click that, and then you will enable the travel mode, and then it supports auto currency exchange, by the way. And then you will check ATM withdrawal limits and set desired daily limit. And after that, you will load local currency and pre-exchange it if needed, and activate security settings and enable location-based security. And that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.